Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I must thank to the organizing committee for asking me to share the Sri Lankan experience about triple negative breast cancer. About Sri Lankan data, cancer incidence was around 30,000 per year. Out of 30,000, breast cancer was around 3,000 per year. We have 9 provinces, each province having major cancer unit. One of the provincial teaching hospital where I work is teaching hospital Batiklo. In our hospital, I extracted data between 2016 to 2020, 5 years data. During these 5 years, 626 patients have been registered. Out of 626, 88 patients were triple negative breast cancer, that is 14% out of total. Treatment pattern what we follow during this period: neoadjuvant chemotherapy followed by surgery was 5.7%, upfront surgery 94.3%. Adjuvant chemotherapy, docetaxel has been included at one point in 62.5% of the patient. Majority have received AC followed by docetaxel, that is 44% of the patient. This data has been extracted retrospectively from our clinic record between 2016 to 2020. Regarding AJCC clinical stage of our triple negative breast cancer patient, T2N0 29 patient out of 88, T2N1 21 patient out of 88. Type of surgery which have been done: no surgery in 2 patients, breast conserving surgery in 10 patients, simple mastectomy has been done in 3 patients. Majority have undergone modified radical mastectomy plus axillary clearance. Regarding tumor grade, majority, that is 53 out of 88, were grade 3, 33 patients were grade 2. Regarding chemotherapy-induced hematotoxicity, almost half of the patients have experienced hematotoxicity of any grade. Median age of our patient was 51 years. 5-year disease-free survival was 69.1%. 5-year overall survival was 79.8%. This is a graph of survival curve of disease-free survival data of our patient. This elaborates overall survival data of triple negative breast cancer patient. In summary, triple negative breast cancer consists of 14% of breast cancer patients in our hospital. Majority have undergone upfront surgery. AC followed by docetaxel was the main adjuvant chemotherapy schedule we followed during this period. More than half of the patients presented in T2, 83% of patients undergone modified radical mastectomy plus axillary clearance. About half of the patients experienced chemotherapy-induced hematotoxicity of any grade. 5-year disease-free survival was 69.1% and 5-year overall survival was 79.8%. Thank you very much for your patience.